This is lesson 22, division with and without remainders for Saxon 5. Quick reminder that in the math methods playlist on this channel, we already have division problems and how to do division. It'll go a little bit more in depth than I am in this video because we've already done it. So this video is just going to be a quick little overview reminder while the other videos were more in depth. So let's get started with this. Quick refresher. First of all, the lovely, lovely relationship of division and multiplication, because it always comes up. Please always remember that you have all of your different pieces. Okay, here's my quotient. Here's my divisor. Here's my dividend. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. See how all that works? Okay, 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. These are all lovely relationships that they have together, which makes it nice because then if we're missing the quotient, we can do our division and say 5 goes into 35 7 times. Or if we're missing our, let's say our divisor maybe, and you're saying, well, what's this? I can actually do division to figure that out. I can say, oh, well, wait a minute. I can do 35 divided by 7 and it'll give me 5. Or if it's your dividend missing, you can do 5 times 7 will get you your dividend. Okay, lovely relationship between division and multiplication. Now, let's take a look at one of our questions. Here is one of the examples, and it does have 3 different questions in your book that goes with those. I will read out the question and we'll figure out each question as we go. So question A, what is the least number of boats that are needed for everyone to ride? How do you know? Well, we need to start with, if the amusement park has 16 people waiting in line for the water ride, and each boat holds 6 people, we need to figure out how many boats will carry 16 people. So we need to take 16 and divide it by 6. If we do 6 going into 16, the closest I can get is 6 times 2, which is 12. Subtract leaves me with 4, so I have 2 remainder 4. Okay, there we go. Okay. So because I have 2 boats. Each boat holds 6 people. Okay, we already figured that out. So I have here 12 people. Okay, issue is we have 16 people in total. So we don't want to leave these 4 little people off on their own and they don't get to go ride. So that means we need another boat, even though that boat only has 4 people in it. So it is not a full boat. We could fit more people in, but right now we only have 16, which means for A, the minimum number of boats we need is 3, okay, not 2. Because of this remainder, we need that extra boat, even if it's not a full boat. Remember, this 2 is only full boats. We still need another boat to carry the people who are left on land. Okay, we don't want to leave them out of the nice fun ride. So for A, the least number of boats that are needed is 3. And how do you know? Because you have 2 full boats and 1 partially full boat. B, if 2 boats arrive at the loading dock, how many people will have to wait for the ride? Well, we just did that. There's 2 boats. I fill up the 2 boats. I have 12 people left. How many people are left over? Okay, B is 4. 4 people are left over if 2 boats arrive. C, if 3 boats arrive at the loading dock, how many boats can be completely filled? We did that one as well. Okay, there's my remainder people. How many boats can be completely filled? 2 boats are completely filled. 1 is partially filled with the 4 people left over. Okay, that is your division problem for the day. And that's really where I'm going to leave it because, as I said, we've done division before. I just wanted to go over a little bit of this because people always get confused when you have remainder, whether or not to put that one in or not. But everything else is things we've done before. Remember to use your times tables chart if needed. And if you really need another more in-depth of division again, go back to the math methods videos and watch the in-depth division lessons. That is lesson 22, division with and without remainders for Saxon 5.